My name is Trey Zipperer. I'm the founder of By Memorial Day, a nonprofit organization dedicated to the cleaning of all veteran headstones by Memorial Day in perpetuity. Sergeant Shadman was a top turret gunner. When they were attacked, they were flying at 24,000 feet. Sergeant Shadman was up in the top turret, and he was trying to get out of that top turret as the plane was tumbling to the ground. In your local cemeteries, there are local heroes whose graves are in really bad condition. There are people in America who care about veterans' graves. They just don't know what's happening out here, so I want to bring this story to them. So if this is something that speaks to your heart, I encourage you to get out in your local cemetery and take the initiative to do something about it.